The Japanese tech giant is set to unveil the Xperia VII premium phone on May 15, 2025. The Xperia VII has been surfaced in real-life images courtesy of a certification listing. These live photos confirm the phone's design, echoing earlier renders, and reveal 3 color options: black, navy green, and a purple. The Xperia VII likely launching soon. The phone unsurprisingly looks a lot like its predecessor. An earlier rumor claimed all 3 rear cameras will have XPRT sensors, but the same exact sensor sizes and resolution as the Xperia VI, 52MP main camera, a 12MP ultrawide, and a 12MP telephoto. The microphone has shifted closer to the 3.5mm headphone jack. The Xperia VII pack a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, with 12 to 16GB RAM options along with 256GB and 512GB storage. The screen is reportedly the same 6.5-inch display, side fingerprint sensor. Screen will have slightly thicker bezels than before. The phone is expected to be priced at $1,399. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.